Hi guys, today I want to share with you how we're getting ready for our family holiday. We are going to Turkey tomorrow. If you're new to my channel, I'm Karina Harper, a mom of two, and I post new video every week about motherhood and lifestyle. We are flying from Glasgow Airport, which is about 4 hours drive from our home. And the thing is that we need to get ready for the car journey, and also we need to get ready for the plane journey. And here I laid out some stuff. We are gonna be making some food, and we need to make enough for the car journey obviously, and for the plane, for both me and Duncan, and for children as well. And we are gonna be making some sandwiches, and also we have some snacks. But just quickly overview what I've got. I've got this 2 tiger baton for our sandwiches, multi-seed deli rolls, and this is all the meat that I've got for the sandwiches, which is some chicken and some salami, some ham, and some sliced tikka chicken masala. I've got some pork sausages, which Yana loves. Also, I've got lettuce for sandwiches. I've got some spreadable butter and a soft cheese like Philadelphia, jalapenos, pickled gherkins, a bit of mustard, English mustard. Also, I've got this chicken breast fillet and the cucumber. That will be for the sandwiches. Also, a pepper, red pepper, and I've got this tortilla wrap. I'll be making a wrap for Yana, probably Philadelphia cheese. Also, Lewis, he is 8 months old right now. He loves just a bit of a tortilla wrap without anything on it. I've got a bowl here, just if I cut some lettuce, I can chuck it in there. I've got some cling film that I can wrap all the sandwiches in. And also I've got some snacks for the car and for the plane, which is there's pom bears for Yana. I've got some choco bars, which is for me because I'm dairy free. There's a special one, choco bars. There's little Kinder chocolate bars for Yana. This is like a pom bear, but it's called Bunny Bites. I've got some snacks for myself and for Duncan. It's a crispy coated peanuts and some cashews, and also we will have this just a sea salted crisps. And also we're taking the water bottles with us for the car journey, and then we'll probably empty them and we'll just take them to the plane with us. For Lewis, I've got some baby pouches because it's less hassle making it ourselves. I just can get them. This is like a savory one, and also I've got the fruit one, and I also got this banana wafers, which is melt in his mouth, that I'm not going to be too scared of the choking. We usually follow baby-led weaning, but because it's in the plane, I don't want to actually give him the chunky food. I'll just give him the puree, which is going to be much easier, and also he's still breastfed. I will be breastfeeding him. This is for Luz. By the way, I checked on Google that you can take baby food on the plane with us, and we'll check it tomorrow that can I actually take, because this is the first time we're traveling with the baby.